In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete individual cookies in Chrome quickly and safely without clearing all of your browsing data. This is a really useful trick when one website is acting strange, you want to fix login issues, or you just want to remove stored site data for a single page instead of wiping everything from your browser. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy step-by-step tech guides. Alright, let's jump straight into it. The fastest way to delete cookies for one specific site is to start on the website you want to clean up. So first, open Chrome and go to the site that's giving you trouble. Once the page is loaded, look at the address bar. On the left side of the website address, you'll usually see either a padlock icon or a tune icon, depending on your Chrome version and the site's security settings. Click that icon to open the site controls. A small menu will appear with several options related to the website. From here, click on Site Settings. This will take you to Chrome's settings page for that specific website, where you can manage permissions and stored data. Now, at the very top of the page that opens, you should see a Delete Data button. This is the option you want because it removes the cookies and site data stored for that individual website only. Go ahead and click Delete Data. Chrome will then ask you to confirm that you want to remove the site data. When the prompt appears, click Delete to confirm. Once you do that, the cookies for that specific site will be removed immediately. This can help refresh the website, sign you out, clear broken session data, and solve a lot of common browser issues without affecting your other sites. After that, just go back to the website and reload the page. If needed, you can sign in again and continue using it with a clean slate. And that's how you delete individual cookies in Chrome the fast way. If this video helped you out, please remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.